Hello everyone. I welcome all of you to discuss on this stock that is called Bharat Forge. Basically a forging company supplying to all over the world. So let us start analyzing it. Let us check the stock trend. So normally for the stock trend we know that we always check with the moving averages. So let me on these buttons. So for the 50 EMA exponential moving average, it is above 50 EMA only. So basically it is showing as a bullish trend presently. And it is just touched to the 20 EMA. It's a short-term weakness. Otherwise it's okay. So overall we can say stock is in a uptrend only here presently. Next, let us check the chart pattern. I'm discussing this in a long-term vision. Okay, for long-term investment. You see this chart pattern. So it's like a head and shoulder. Now it's trying to move up. This is in a long term. Now if we see this in a little short term, this is a kind of a, you see this, it's already made some flag. So from here it is started. So we can expect this moment. So that is, we say approximately 1200. So anyway, let us that we'll see in the next what will be the targets and all. If you come into the chart pattern, yes, it's giving some positive chart patterns. Slowly it is moving up. Now let us see that volumes. In case of volume, so 20 exponential moving average. The volumes are about 20 exponential moving average. So there is some buying and selling is happening. Yeah, volume is also good. And let us check RSI, relative strength. So in RSI, the stock strength, this is between 60 to 40, which we call as a strong zone. Yes, presently the stock is in a strong position. And next, let us see that support and resistance. So present the nearest support zones. This is already taking a present support. So this is becoming now a strong support. This is becoming a strong support because it has already faced the resistance here, then taking that resistance as a support and moving ahead. So we can be a kind of sure that even if it falls, it may fall at 840. range. And nearest further resistances are here, I mean supports are here. It's 770, then 737, at 650. So these levels are important to know whether even if we invest, at what level it may fall. That's the only reason. Next, if we see that resistance, so already this resistance here, there is no previous resistance here in the past. So resistance created here is about 917. Here only we can say once this is already made a breakout here, this has become strong. 842, when it has broken, it has become strong. Because I told you already that I could see that a flag pattern. Now this flag pattern. So whatever the distance, I mean whatever is here, so approximately it will move that much only. Almost 1300, like that it may move. This but this for the long term. It will not happen in a week or 2 weeks. It will take a month. Now let us check fundamentals. So for fundamentals, we see here even 70% been recommended by the analyst that we can invest in this stock. So it started recovering from the losses and now it is in the profitable side. Let us see the detail holding. Foreigners are just before they reduce their stake, now slightly they are increasing it from 18.82 to 19.3. Whereas our domestic people are increasing only, but a little negligible it is reduced. So when it comes to the news, Bharat it is working on the input costs so that they can get the benefit. So this was the news came in December 12. So it is working on this profitability. Yeah, again in the fundamentals, if we go here, compare to the PS. Even it has been observed that it is going to give a good results, quarterly results. And compared to the peers, there is BMW, Mahindra, and all. So here we can see debt to equity mainly we see. Anything less than 1 is we can say it is a safer side. Above 1 is a bit difficult. There is a slight risky we can say. So return on capital employed 11.5% is important to see. Market cap anyway it is higher, no. So 41,000 crores. Basically it is into casting and forging. So net profit, it's maintaining, I would say. So when come to the profit and losses, so net profit compared to the previous year's pain, that is in 2021. Yes, anyway, it is because of the COVID. Later, it started recovering and it is maintaining now as of now. So now let us move to the next analysis, that is put call ratio, that is for the short term. Let us see what is happening. So it says that by January it may touch 900 and 930 by December end. These are the values given for the short term. Now let us put the fib retracement to understand. The support and resistance levels. I just put it from this long term, week to week. I joined it, and you see that it is taking an important support at 838, and it has touched the resistance of 913. You can see here. So once this breaks, we'll go to 988, and if at 988 breaks, straight away it goes to 1095, and then yeah. So we need to wait and watch. But we analyze this from the long-term perspective. We could see there is a good moment in this stock. Let us check the candlestick chart pattern. Let us check it on the weekly. You see on the weekly base, it is always, it's green. That means people are buying it. The prices are going up. You see the monthly what is happening, and monthly it is bullish. See, even in monthly, when you see this flag, it is really showing very good chart pattern. Very good chart pattern it is showing. Normally we say that it is already broke. This flag is this flag. It is taking a kind of retracement here. Then gap up open it has happened. I mean low. Then it will move out like this. Anyway, let us wait and watch. So I could see that a good chart pattern. That's the reason I took this for analysis. So let us check the delivery percentage, what it says. So let us go to the NSE website. Type bharatforg. So what is that here? Bharat. Bharatforg. Yeah. So let us see from last 1 month what is happening. A good delivery percentage is in seen here also, like 59, 63, 50%, 43. Yeah, this is the delivery percentage. It says that overall there is a good moment in this. So we checked all these parameters, and we can say that for long term it is good. You may further study this to invest in a long term. Short term, it may not be that much returns. So this is how we can analyze the stock through these process steps, and hope the analysis was a bit helpful for you to make a short term and a long term investment in this, because it's a basically a blue chip stock. So we that's the reason we brought it to your notice. So thanks for watching.
Please subscribe my channel and press the like button. It will motivate me to bring new topics.